Hi, welcome to Sweat Studios. This is Shweta Pranesh Andi. As part of casual edition, I'm going to show you a simple kurti andi. It's only a single top, the one which I'm wearing. It's in dark, bright colors andi. One is in green and one is in pink, Rani pink andi. And you would have a wider work of neck andi, V neck. Ila complete work ostundi. 3/4 hands. On the hands also you would have a work. And ikkada neck, ikkada manaki ikkada vachetapudiki slight slit andi. And you would have complete just a slight slit, not an open. Malli meeku itla open ga meeku A line kurti andi. It's not slitted, it's an A line. This is how the dress would look like andi. Let me show you the pink one in detail. This is how it is andi. This is completely on cotton andi. Cotton lo meeku chuste ganaka kodiga ila vastundi. Self checked ga untundi. Checks laga untundi, cloth self check. And this is how the foil mirror work andi. Wider V neck. And you would have 3/4 hands. Hands kuda meeku ila work vastundi. Tara and thread work. Back వచ్చేటప్పటికి plain. It's an A line అండి. And you would have a small, అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ సెంటర్ వచ్చేటప్పటికి సెంటర్ ప్యానల్ వచ్చేటప్పటికి ఇలా స్మాల్ డిజైనర్ స్లిట్ వచ్చి ఇలా రన్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ ద ఓవరాల్ లుక్ ఆఫ్ ది డ్రెస్ వుడ్ లుక్ లైక్ అండి. ఇట్స్ ఓన్లీ టాప్ అండి. You can purchase this from our website or you can also book it from our WhatsApp number. Happy shopping, have a great day.